Good morning. Beautiful morning here. Sun's just coming up. We're gonna get on it, see if we can get some bass, maybe even a halibut. Gonna be a fun day. Oh, we got a fish. That was a good hit. Hit it hard. Oh, it's like a big sand bass. Oh yeah. Nice sand bass on the A-rig. Stop. Oh, yeah, feels like a good fish. Little calico on the A-rig. Nice little calico. Nice. Another calico on the A-rig. Small one. Beautiful colors though. Nice fish. Oh, there we go. Another calico. Smaller one. But another beautiful fish. It's dropping down. Suddenly you feel that bump, and the line just starts peeling off the reel. Oh, it's a double, I think. Yeah, we doubled up. Calico and a sand bass. Two for the price of one. Sand bass tore the bait up. Don't stick me. Another small calico. Felt like that one was on first. Sometimes you get one on and then a fish sees it and they see that school and they come up and grab it. And decent sand bass. Circle around, we'll try it again. There we go. Feels like a sand bass. Oh, it might be a couple. No, it's a Big one. Bigger. Stop. Completely tore one of the baits off. Nice sand bass. Oh, here's another one. A smaller one. Little small sand bass. Little one. Still fun to catch. Let's kill. That's fish. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. That is a nice calico. Whoa, lost that one. Mean one.